Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong with them. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, so I've got the two halves laid out, ready to silicon. I've had this in my pocket to bring it up to room temperature, body temperature, to make it a little bit thinner. I'm laying the silicon all on the left side of the crankcase and then bring them together. And I'm just following the diagram here of where to put the silicon, and the idea is to put enough that it will seal, but not enough that it will be squashed inside the crankcase and then cause problems with the oil and things like that later. So, you know, once again, I'm just guessing, so as to how much to use.
Sun is breaking over red light plains, kicking the starter, shaking off the chains. My silver beauty shining in the light,
Not showing to go around the other parts, but I'm thinking I might.
just the road ahead of them and my silver machine. Leaning through the corners, winding through the trees. Adelaide hills, they're drifting on the breeze. Heading down the highway, keeping rhythm sweet. Meadows is a destination where we're gonna meet.
Same thing, it just shows go around the inside of these. And I think I will. If it squirts out the outside, it won't matter, I don't think.
Just the road ahead and my silver machine. Pulling up the gravel at the Meadows Bakery door. Smell of hot pies, engine shut down for sure.
And it shows to do up here as well, even though this is inside.
Helmets on the table, taking it slow. Nowhere to rush to, time to just unwind.
So I assume this is to help even the load. When it's bolted together, everything has the same amount of tension.
Thumping through the valleys, heading out for more. Sunday morning riding, no place else to be. Just the road ahead and my silver machine.
And up here it says just around the bolt. And same with this one, just around the bolt. Okay, now I'll check around each bolt to make sure each one is sealed. Okay, I think that should be okay. So now it's time to put the two halves together.